Is Donald Trump taking a U-turn? Is it pause on the paper and strike on the ground? Welcome to Times Exclusive Report with me, Priti Atri. And something didn't just add up here. A pause was announced, but explosions are still being reported. And now the world is asking just one question. What's really going on? Well, it all began when Donald Trump declared a temporary halt on strikes targeting Iran's power and energy infrastructure. The message sounded kinda clear: a step back, a chance for talk, even a path towards de-escalation. Now let's pause here. Just a day later, a very different picture it started to emerge. Reports began surfacing of fresh strike, including damage to gas infrastructure, and that too in sensitive regions that are linked to Iran's energy network. Everything, pipelines, facilities, critical supply lines, everything was reportedly hit. And if that is true, then this changes the narrative completely, right? From pause to pressure, from diplomacy to doubt. And at the very same time, signals of possible talks between the United States and Iran, it started circulating, including reports of behind-the-scene communication and indirect contact. But here's the twist. Iran responded with a firm denial. No talks, no negotiation, no agreement here. And this creates two very different stories. One suggesting diplomacy and the other one rejecting it entirely. What was this? A strategy? A mixed signal, or a calculated move to keep the opponent guessing? Because in modern conflict, messaging is just as important as military action here. Announcing a pause can calm the market, reduce the global pressure, and create diplomatic space. While continuing pressure on the ground, it can maintain leverage, right? And that combination is where the things get complicated. While the stakes are rising, energy infrastructure is not just a target anymore. It is the backbone of country's economy. Damaging gas pipelines or facilities can disrupt supply, impact exports, and create long-term economic pressure on a country. And when energy is involved, the impact is never ever local. Global markets react, prices fluctuate, and supply chains feel the shock. Now for Iran, this is a very important moment, whether to respond strongly or hold back and assess the whole situation. But for the US, the challenge is equally complex, balancing military pressure while keeping the door open for diplomacy. And for the rest of the world, uncertainty is growing because when actions and statements don't really match, confidence drops and tensions rise. Well, the question is whether this is a real pause or just a tactical shift in strategy, because in this conflict, what is said and what is done, they are starting to look very, very different. And that difference could define what happens next.